Do you know you can add your real voice to your AI images to make it sound unique?
If you are using AI voiceover or automation, this video might save your channel. It's better you know it now than for you to have built your channel to an extent and it gets demonetized. It can be so painful. So right now, YouTube is very strict about reuse content, inauthentic content. Have you noticed that a lot of YouTube channels are being demonetized due to reuse content and inauthentic content? You can't just copy clips, AI voices, and expect get monetized. It is no longer possible. YouTube wants to see that you are really involved in your content. They want to see the real human effort in your content. So everything will not look generic. Everything will not look auto generated. So you have to put in your real human effort. It could be your scripting, it could be your voiceover, it could be anything. Just ensure there is real human effort in your content. With that, your account, your channel will be demonetized. In case you're planning on starting YouTube automation, it's better you do it the right way. So you have to do it the right way. So on the long run, your account or your channel won't be demonetized. Don't just upload your video without adding your human inputs into your human effort into it. Ensure you add in your human effort into it. It could be the voice, it could be the scripting, it could be the video. Just ensure ensure it has a human impact. Even while generating your script, you can edit the script to sound like you, to sound as if you are the one talking, you are the one acting. Don't just make it generic. Don't make it generic or auto-generated. So you have to bear this in mind for those that are just starting up on their YouTube automation journey. So after generating your image, you go to Grok AI to animate your image. Yes, you open the Grok app, then you click on create videos, then you upload your image, then you give it your prompt and it will help you animate. After doing that, then you click on this arrow, then it generates your video for you. Once it's done generating, you click on the download button, then you download to your phone. So once you are done, you head over to this app called DreamFace. If you have not signed up, you have to sign up. And if you have, you just log in. Then you click on this avatar, talk and sing.
I am a
Once you are done,
DreamFace digital
then
avatar.
you upload the video you want to use. Yes, you allow it to load up. Allow it to load up.
Do you know you can add your real voice to your
So once
AI
you are
image?
done, for the purpose of this video,
Do
we
you
are
know you can
clicking on
add your real
this option that says want avatar to see or text. Yes, if it's a written text, just type in whatsoever you want the avatar or the image to see. And if you already have like a content or a video you want to use, just click on this import. Yes, and if you don't, just record straight away. So for the purpose of this particular video, I'm going to record my voice. So let's do that. So because I'm using the free version, I can only record under 30
real
seconds.
voice to your
Yes, if
AI
you want
images to
more,
make it
a longer
sound
clip, you
unique?
have to pay. Yes. Then you click on animate. Then you allow it to load up. It takes few minutes. Then you allow it to load up. Give it some time. Then this is the result. Yes, that's the result. Do you know you can now add your real voices to your AI images to make it sound unique?